Spooky, scary slime send shivers down your spine. Hi, it's me. I'm the new LPS, almost not new, and we are going to be unboxing some slime. I need to open it from up here so it's on. Get this baby out. I'm going to have to put it down. Alright, I'm totally sorry for this. I was not prepared and didn't go on capture. So don't judge. Ew, this is so sticky. Blech. Ew. 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 Mm. Ew. 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 Alright, I'm already feeling it. I'm not poking it without you guys. Don't worry. I'm going to be able to see with you. Ew, ew. It is slime. Yes, it's stuck in my pants. Ew, I have to put it on my... Ugh. This is really gross, and it was gonna come... Alright, it comes out. Alright, save slime. No standing involved. That's good. Alright, if this is good for poking... It's gonna be really random. Unexpected. We need to get all of it out. Ew! It's like unstoppable. We're unstoppable. That was supposed to be my cousin's intro, but he's like, no intro, guys, and never used it. I was like, oh, well, just trying to look cool by showing off your song. Got that from Do Perfect. I do not watch them. I refuse to every time he puts it on. I mean, what's so important about Do Perfect here? Like, it's on Nick. Jake really got dumped. I mean, I'm not a big fan of Jake. Sorry, Jake fans. I'm Logan. I don't really watch them that much. I'm not a giant fan. But finally... Alright, oh, Capture just told me to resume my stop motion video. Alright, Capture, I'll do that soon. Alright, it does make the noise. But it's very sticky. I don't have any activator with me. And I don't feel like making this all redone and pretending that my LPS have never touched it or I've never touched it. Me, Callie. That Cameron's never touched it. I'm unboxing it. It's on the channel for the first time. Ooh, that folded so nice. I'm trying to edit back here. That's Brooke's job. Well, Brooke's not here right now, so screw her. Alright, I'm going to try to cover this on me without it staining my LPS. Ew. Oh, this is like sad, like goo. Wow. Let's get it off. See if it comes off in one piece like my other slime. Nope, it does not. It leaves some tracks behind. It definitely came off smooth though. I just realized that this was obviously satisfying doing this. Sorry, my lighting sucks. It is 7 something, so lighting's not going to be amazing here. We're going to do some covering with other LPS. Ooh, sorry, I have these guys in the background. They were in my stop motion that I'm trying to figure out. So we're going to cover this person. We're going to cover Beach, if I can get her out. Beach. And my mascot's manager. So first we're going to start with her. Let's see her print, actually. Ooh, that's a good print. Right now, let's lay her back right into that spot. Let's cover her up. This is like my first obvious video like ever. Alright, let's get her out. I'm dragging her out. Ew! Strong slime. Oh my god, I saw it like on my wall. I was like anchored. It like leaves wet spots everywhere. If you can't see that, probably can't. Let's kick her away. Next time. You know what? Screw this idea. It's gonna be boring. We're going to do some satisfying clips. So for these satisfying, I'm going to take off my jacket. This will be quick. It's not going to be long like the other thing. The bag opening. There. It got on my carpet. It's literally stuck to it. Oh no, guys. I am in big, hot, diggity dog trouble. This is YouTube's fault. I'm blaming it on them. They inspire me to do a video. I do a video. And look what happens. What? Bye, guys.